including uninsured, underinsured coverage in your motorcycle insurance. When it comes to motorcycle insurance, one key aspect that many riders may overlook is uninsured, underinsured coverage. This often underestimated coverage can be a lifesaver in certain situations, providing you with financial protection in case you're involved in an accident with a driver who lacks sufficient insurance coverage. Understanding the risks of riding without adequate protection. Motorcycle enthusiasts often relish the thrill of the open road, the wind in their hair, and the sense of freedom that comes with riding. However, this exhilarating experience also brings inherent risks. Motorcycles are inherently more vulnerable in accidents than enclosed vehicles due to their smaller size and lack of protective barriers. Unfortunately, not all drivers carry sufficient insurance coverage, increasing the risk for motorcyclists. In the unfortunate event of an accident, if the at-fault driver is uninsured or underinsured, you might find yourself facing significant financial burdens. Without proper coverage, you'd be responsible for medical bills, property damage, and other expenses that the other driver's insurance should have covered. This is where uninsured, underinsured motorist, UIM, coverage becomes a crucial aspect of your motorcycle insurance. If the insurance company refuses to fairly compensate you, our Denver motorcycle accident attorneys can help. The role of uninsured, underinsured coverage. Uninsured, underinsured coverage is a safety net for motorcyclists. This type of coverage steps in to protect you when you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance, uninsured, or lacks sufficient coverage, underinsured. This means that if you're hit by an uninsured driver or someone with inadequate insurance, your UIM coverage will help cover the expenses that the other driver's insurance would typically have paid. One of the most significant benefits of UIM coverage is the financial protection it provides. Motorcycle accidents can result in substantial medical bills and repair costs. When you have UIM coverage, you won't have to worry about these expenses coming out of your pocket. Weighing the benefits of UIM coverage. Considering the unique risks that motorcyclists face, UIM coverage is a smart investment. The peace of mind it offers is invaluable. Riding a motorcycle is already an exercise in vigilance and awareness. You shouldn't have to worry about the financial aftermath of an accident caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver. Furthermore, UIM coverage is surprisingly affordable given the level of protection it provides. The premiums are typically reasonable, especially when you compare them to the potential costs you could incur without this coverage. It's a small price to pay for the added layer of security and the comfort of knowing you won't be left high and dry in a stressful situation. Making the decision to include UIM coverage. Given the unpredictable nature of accidents and the potential risks on the road, adding UIM coverage to your motorcycle insurance policy is a sound decision. It's a proactive step to protect yourself from the financial fallout of an accident caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver. Don't overlook the significance of this coverage. It's an essential component of a comprehensive motorcycle insurance policy. Conclusion. Riding a motorcycle is an exhilarating experience, but it's essential to be prepared for the unexpected. Including uninsured, underinsured coverage in your motorcycle insurance policy is a responsible choice that offers peace of mind and financial security. It's a decision that reflects your understanding of the risks on the road and your commitment to ensuring you're adequately protected in any scenario.